Guys, welcome back. Princess Ukpai here. If it's your first time on my channel, you're very much welcome. Do not forget that you could follow me on any of my social media platforms written down below, so you could connect. Anyway guys, so for today's video I created this chocolate look, which I am already digging because this look is so lit. Anyway, before we get right into this video, I just need you guys to do me a little favor by clicking the subscribe button down below and turning on your notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, first I'm starting with my RIMMEL Stay Matte Primer to prime my face. Then I'll use my Essence Mattifying Primer to just matte my face. Then next I'll spray on some setting spray on my face. Then I'll use my foundation from Mary Kay. So guys, the reason I use setting spray before my foundation was just so that my foundation can blend easily and have a dewy base to blend on, so it just blends seamlessly. And that also helps to lock in my primer. Okay guys, so I'll just quickly highlight and contour my face, and since you guys already know the drill, I'll just quickly skip through this part and shut up for now so you guys can enjoy the music. First impression, UOPN, we should be closer than friends. If you look at how snatched my nose is. Oh my gosh. Get ya. The doors OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, UOPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Okay, so you guys have watched me do my brows a number of times, so let's just quickly recap while you sit back and enjoy the music. Smoking up, make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. I use my setting powder to set my underbrows and my eyelids. Open up. Then I'll go ahead and bake my under eyes again. First with this. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tell you out for Pokeball. Let your emotion walk. So I'm just going to be using this to form like an arc on my eyes, like a U. Then I'll use this darker brown for my corners. Open up. I'm mixing these two shades together and I'll apply it here. Guys, look at this. To shimmer or not to shimmer? I'm kind of digging this look already as it is. So should I shimmer or should I not shimmer? Let's try shimmer. Let's take this and use it loosely so I don't get too much shimmer and so I can still see the base color. I'll dust off all this powder from my under eyes. I'll use my white KAJAL pencil to draw my waterline. Then I'll take this blue shadow and I'll use it for my lower lash line, I guess. I'll use it for my lower lid. And then some blue eyeliner and then I'll use some blue eyeliner to also line my waterline. Then I'll use my mascara from Mary Kay on my lashes, the upper and the lower. Then I'll spray my setting spray from Girl. Then I'll apply my highlighter. Then
then I'll take my J.CAT Beauty lip liner in the shade Chocolate to line my lips.
If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot.
I'll use my lip pencil, my lip brush to blend. Then I'll use my Wet n Wild lipstick on the space I left on my lips.
Open up.
And then I'll finish off with some clear lip gloss. And that concludes this chocolate look. So guys, this is it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.
Peace and love.